Hello guys, so today we're introducing about our lump breaker, also what we call the lump crusher. So this lump crusher, the function is to crush the returned material from the dryer. So during the drying process of the fertilizer, NPK fertilizer, there will be lumps formed in the dryer, and then so in our dryer we have a structure called lump lifter, and then the lumps will be lifted to the lump breaker for recrushing of the material, and then the crushed material will be sent back to granulation. And then in terms of structure of this lump breaker, you can see we have a casing that is made of 20 millimeters Q355R plate, and then inside we have a 10 millimeters liner, removable liner, as you can see inside of the lump breaker. And then you can see for the bearing housings, we use SKF as well as the bearings inside. And then so under each of the base frame, we also have a shock absorber to absorb the vibrations triggered during the operations of the lump breaker. And then in terms of so you can also see this one is also a removable inspection door. Then this one can be removed to do the inspection or replacements of the spare parts. And then in terms of the structure of the rotor, it is also made of HV400 wear-resistant Hardox plate. And then the shaft is heat treated. And then also you can see we have the blades on each side of the lump breaker, so that there's no material that will be sticking to the impeller. And then in terms of transmission, that we have used a Innomotics motor. So Innomotics is previous Siemens, and now changed its name to Innomotics. And then so this is the motor which is connected to the gearbox. The gearbox is from SCW, also famous brand. And then this is the bearing housings and the bearing. And then for some customer, if they want fully couplings, it is also okay. But right now we're using a elastic coupling. And so you can see we have two sets in here, and it will be used in our DAP fertilizer production line, and as well as our ammonia nitrate fertilizer production line. So this type of crushers are not only used for crushing the return material, but it is also suitable for raw material crushing. For example, the caked urea or caked potassium sulfate or any other kind of hard materials. This one can reach 50 tons per hour. And by increasing the motor, we can increase the capacity up to 70 to 80 tons per hour. So in the next few days, we will conduct a commissioning test of these two lump breaker, and also we will do a testing of crushing the hard rocks with these lump breaker to see how it works. Thank you.